The domain you want may already be taken, but the wrong first message can make it far more expensive.
Hey there, thanks for trusting VPN.com. We are your AI hosts. Let's get started in helping you understand domain brokerage.
Michael, when someone finds the perfect domain and it's already taken, what should they understand first?
They should understand, Mary, that there may be no simple buy now option. A domain broker helps locate the owner, open confidential contact, negotiate a fair price, and manage the transaction through escrow.
In simple words, the broker protects the process when the domain is valuable, private, or difficult to reach.
Yes, exactly.
Why not just contact the owner directly and make an offer?
Because the moment a seller connects the domain to a rebrand, a product launch, or a public figure, the price can climb fast. Okay, let me give you an example. VPN.com used this exact approach to buy its own name. It bought VPN.com for $1 million and saved a six-figure sum negotiating.
Whoa, that's big! When does a premium domain broker really become necessary?
When the ideal domain is already registered, the owner is hard to reach, the buyer lacks current market comps, or a mistake could add 6 or 7 figures to the cost. That's where professional representation turns a risky one-time transaction into a controlled process.
Do domain brokers only help buyers or sellers too?
Both. Domain broke for both sides. To buy a domain for you, they handle private acquisition. To sell your domain, they find serious buyers. Okay, let me explain this. On the buy side, VPN.com helps acquire domains that are already taken, privacy protected, or strategically held. On the sell side, it connects your domain with serious buyers who will pay what it's worth.
That's great, and honestly, it matters, because a buyer needs leverage, while a seller needs qualified demand and an exit strategy. What does the process include beyond outreach?
It includes data-backed valuation, using sales comps, keyword metrics, brand strength, industry demand, and market conditions. It also includes stealth acquisition, anonymous ownership structuring, and secure escrow with transfer management.
For a serious domain, I wouldn't treat those as extras. I'd treat them as protection. Okay, so how does the acquisition usually move from first contact to final transfer?
It usually follows 6 stages: consultation, valuation strategy, discreet owner outreach, structured negotiation, escrow coordination, and final transfer with post-sale support. With VPN.com, most acquisitions close within 30 to 90 days, though complex or high-value deals may take longer.
And what makes VPN.com itself credible for premium domain deals?
VPN.com focuses on category-defining names valued at $100,000 and above. It charges no upfront fees and earns a 15% commission only when a deal successfully closes. VPN.com brings highest success rate and more than 1,000 domains bought and sold by its leadership team. For a high-value name, those are exactly the signals I'd want before starting.
This is the point, where most people book a confidential assessment. No pressure, just a clear read on what's realistic. How is this different from using a marketplace or trying DIY outreach?
Marketplaces work when the domain is already listed. Brokers can pursue off-market domains, preserve anonymity, value the asset, manage outreach, negotiate professionally, and protect the transaction.
So the choice isn't just where to buy, it's how much leverage you want to keep while buying.
Exactly.
Are there examples that show this work process?
Yes. VPN.com lists successful outcomes involving ETH.com, CIA.com, and Meet.com, and many more, including rare 3-letter .com acquisitions.
And that matters, because premium domains aren't ordinary purchases. They're strategic brand assets. So if someone already has a target domain in mind, what should they do next?
If the domain you want is already taken, or you're looking to sell a premium asset at its true value, start with a confidential assessment through VPN.com.
I believe the goal isn't pressure, it's clarity. What the domain may be worth, how realistic the acquisition is, and what the next move should be.
I totally agree, Mary. The right broker helps you pursue it privately and strategically.
Visit VPN.com domain broker to start your acquisition, or explore selling a premium domain.